how was that short video for an intro? It's Pat here with Pat's Rides. Just leaving Cave Creek Campground. Boy, I cannot say that to save my life. But anyway, that's one of the reasons I love to be early to bed, early to rise. I pretty much didn't see a soul. What time is it? 7 o'clock local. Until about 6:40, 6:45, and by then I was almost completely packed up, had my morning coffee, drank, and ready to start another fun day of travel. So let's see what we're going to get into today. I'll be back in a bit. Oh, that smells divine. Hello, little dear. Boy, you're skinny. You're skinny. Hard to believe that's the first one I've seen in Kentucky. Tobacco fields. Not something you see in Ohio, that's for sure. That is called State Line Road. I imagine I'm sitting here basically on the border of Kentucky that way, Tennessee that way, and we're just going to go down here and explore a little bit. It's not really my chosen path, but who cares? Well, here I am. There's the state line. I don't know if it'll show up on a GoPro. If not, I might have to zoom in and post, but you can see there's a solid yellow line there. That's my state line, hence State Line Road. How about that? All right, let's get moving again. Tell me this isn't awesome. Just like the tobacco fields, tobacco transport isn't something you see in Ohio either. Man, look at those. Aren't those beautiful? R.J. Corman Rail Company. Wow. Those are beautiful. And I'm still on the Kentucky-Tennessee border right now. Tobacco Farmers Unite. The Planters Protective Association advocated state and federal policies more responsive to farmers' needs on May 28, 1911. The U.S. Supreme Court ruled that American Tobacco Company violated the Sherman Antitrust Act and directed James Duke to bust up his operation. Tobacco prices began to climb. The association disbanded in 1914. Interesting. I'm in the town of Guthrie. You can tell it's ancient. Just look at these buildings. This is why old opera house. This is why you need to get off the main drags as much as possible. I think I had too much to drink. I'm starting to see pink elephants. Well, 2 deer just crossed. And there it is. Okay, is this real? It says board the Cumberland City Ferry. Guess we'll find out when we get there. Interesting. I've been seeing those plumes for well over an hour now, and there's the power plant. I guess it's true.
In 1/4 mile, leave the ferry, then take the first left.
Cool. So I owe you some money?
Yeah, it's going to be $1, but I have to go grab a different book because you're out of out-of-state license plate.
Okay. Well, this is a first for me. Kind of cool. Patience, good name. Jeez, now I see why they tell you to stay in. If you're not prepared, that'd knock you off your feet. Haha, Lucille too. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucille. I know, don't give up your day job. No drinking or loafing on boat. Okay then. Ooh, that was abrupt.
Turn left at the stop sign, then take the third right.
I have now entered the Shiloh Battlefield area here in southern Tennessee. It'll show up on the GPS, but that's it over here to the right. See if I can get in for free or not. Battery. Wow. The death and destruction of the Civil War, just mind-boggling. I'm not a major Civil War era buff, but I do appreciate history. And what really surprised me is when my daughter and I stopped by Vicksburg Battlefield several years ago, how many Ohio battalions and batteries and regiments, whatever you'd like to call them, participated in that battle. Well, speaking of Ohio, right there, 49th Infantry. I'll be darned. Pennsylvania. No matter how hard you try, you can't erase history, and why should you? It's how you learn. You learn from the past. You learn from the mistakes. What a brutal, brutal time to be alive. Another Army of Ohio. Illinois Infantry. Iowa Infantry. Wow. I had no idea I was going to be in this neck of the woods. What makes sometimes finding these kinds of things even more special. Sure, I knew about Shiloh, but I had no idea I was going to come by it. Another Ohio right there. 59th Infantry. Quite the monument to Iowa. Indiana. All this over here on the right is Ohio. I just came in this way to the visitor center. I was not recording though. But all these are in respect to our boys from Ohio that came and fought for the Union Army. And I think with this, I'm going to end it today. I'm just headed to Savannah, Tennessee. We'll just end it here with this somber note. And I will pick back up sometime during the day tomorrow.